Yes. Hi and hello everyone and welcome to this session by 12 minutes to IP Mat. I am Vishali and I hope all of you are doing well. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the IP Mat paper, which is especially the GIPMAT paper, right? So what we are going to do is हम एक बार pattern देखेंगे, सारे examination जो dates हैं वो भी हम देखेंगे and let's start. So see, if you are going to start with this one question, ki what is GIPMAT, right? What is the full form? So it provides you integrated program and management admission test. ठीक है, so it's like an integrated program, 5 years का integrated course होता है, in which in the first 3 years you do your BBA and in the last 2 years you do your MBA. But this paper is the only paper which is conducted by NTA, right? Not like IPMAT Indore and Rohtak. So it's conducted by NTA, which is the National Testing Agency. And like I have said कि इस पेपर से आप इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स के लिए ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. सो what else? This is a CBT paper. So what will happen is कि कंप्यूटर बेस्ड पेपर होगा. एंड what is the pattern? अब पैटर्न देखते हैं कि जिपमैट में बेसिकली देयर आर 100 क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं. So you get plus of 4 if you get any question correct and -1 is deducted if you get any question incorrect. So it means total जो है 400 marks का होगा. And what is the time limit? 150 minutes. ठीक है, 150 minutes मिलेंगे आपको ये 100 questions करने के लिए. The next thing is the marking scheme which I have already told you and this is the reason why कि ये जो पेपर है ये 400 marks का होता है. Now what is the next thing? कि syllabus में see, when you're talking about 100 questions, the 100 questions are divided into 3 categories, 3 sections bolo. The first one is quantitative aptitude, which is having 33 questions. The next one is DI and LR. DI and LR में भी 33 questions ही पूछे जाते हैं. And the final section is VARC. तो VARC क्या है? Verbal ability and reading comprehension, जिसमें 34 questions पूछे जाते हैं. And if you are going to have a look at the total number of questions, it turns out to be 100, right? So what is the next thing? The next thing is कि GIPMAT कौन accept करते हैं, right? So GIPMAT scores are accepted in IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. So you can also have a look at the number of seats as well. कि IIM Bodh Gaya में there are around 120 seats, whereas in IIM Jammu 140 seats are offered for this particular course. Now coming to the eligibility criteria. So if you see academically you should be class 12 passed. क्लास 12 पास होना चाहिए या मे बी यू आर अपेयरिंग इन 2026. द नेक्स्ट वन इज कि मिनिमम 60% आने चाहिए इफ यू आर अ जनरल स्टूडेंट, राइट? मिनिमम 60% इन योर क्लास 12. एंड इफ यू आर मे बी फ्रॉम द SC, ST and PWD कैटेगरी, इट्स 55%. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द क्लास 10 स्कोर. क्लास 10 स्कोर के लिए भी सेम ही वैल्यू है, 60% फॉर जनरल and for the other categories it is 55%. Now coming to the age limit point. Now this is an interesting point because IPMAT Indore and Rohtak में generally age limit होता है, but in the case of GIPMAT there is no upper age limit, right? So this is a speciality of this particular paper कि upper age limit नहीं है. Now let's see the next one. कि what are the key dates that you should remember, right? वैसे तो अभी notification आना है, it is yet to come, but if you are asking me the ideal dates या timeline कि कब notification आ सकती है and most probably paper कब हो सकता है, so registrations generally start from mid-April. ठीक है, mid-April से generally notification आ जाती है by NTA कि forms are about to come and you can fill in. Now registration close कब होती है? By May. एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज होता है अर्ली जून में एंड जिपमैट इज द ओनली पेपर जो जून में जनरली होता है, राइट? एंड व्हाइल द अदर पेपर्स आर जनरली कंडक्टेड इन द मंथ ऑफ मे इटसेल्फ, तो यू गेट एम्पल टाइम टू फिल इन फॉर द जिपमैट पेपर एज वेल. Now what is the next thing is कि how can I apply? So see, अभी तो फॉर्म्स आने हैं, बट जब भी फॉर्म्स आएंगे ना तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली have a look at the NTA का website where you will have to register first of all, then you fill in the form and आपको documents भी upload करने पड़ेंगे depending on what they are asking for, then pay the fees and download the admit card. तो इस पे तो अभी हम और डिस्कस करेंगे when forms will actually release कि how to fill in the forms, सारे processes हम तब डिस्कस करेंगे. But I hope so कि in this point, मतलब जो ये सेशन हमने अभी कंडक्ट किया है, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि व्हाट इज द सिलेबस, व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया एंड आपको क्या टाइमलाइन याद रखना चाहिए कि व्हेन इज द पेपर गोइंग टू बी मतलब कब पेपर हो सकता है, कब नोटिफिकेशन आ सकती है. सो if you guys have any doubts or queries, definitely write it down in the comments so that we can have a session on it. Till then, take care and bye.